Hi everyone, this is the market recap for June 5th. We are working with LH Trading System and LH Level System. LH Trading System is a scalping strategy that analyzes supply and demand on the tape in real time, and LH Level System analyzes the opening to deploy key levels where the strategy could make trades. On the left, we can see the first trade of the LH Trading System. When the algorithm detects aggressive buyers or sellers among other analyses, it makes the entry. Automatically manages the trade by placing the stop loss and profit target orders that we have already configured in the options menu. You can configure multiple exits, auto break-even, trailing stop, or fixed profit target. In both strategies, you can also manage trades on the fly with our button panel. On the right, we will see LH Level Systems deploying the levels. When the strategy deploys the levels, it begins to look for entries. Today we had two very good targets. The algorithm before starting, the operations defines the risk policy, and the number of contracts that will be used in each trade according to the market volatility. These two targets represent around $200 trading on the NASDAQ market with micro contracts. If you want to see the strategies working live, write to me, and we will organize a meeting through Zoom, and you will be able to see the power of these strategies live and ask whatever you want.